Oh,
kia
Didn't
ora.
quite get there to the camera.
Yeah.
Morning, everybody.
You
Welcome
failed.
to E
No.
Ara E Mana. I'm Luke Bird.
I'm Masi Hova.
Phoenix, look, and you're here with the crew. E ara e mara mai te whitu karaka, whitu ish karaka. Oh, and our stream's having issues already.
Why?
Fantastic.
But stand by. We've got no copyright music unless someone's copyrighted your Morine TV.
Yes, someone's painted it because
rude.
it's so famous.
Yeah,
and
I know.
enriching. Yes, but you're here with the crew. Morena e te iwi. How are we all going?
Yeah, not too bad actually today, Phoenix. Not too bad.
I just want to say that I've
Oh, you're
come back.
Mark.
Yeah,
Marcy's
I'm
back.
back.
We forgot
And
you
I
left.
wasn't paru, okay? I don't have an infection.
Thanks for saying
Well,
that.
we threw out like 3 answers and we let the audience decide which one they
And
wanted
they were
to.
like, paru.
yeah, and the audience like, yeah,
They're
They're
Padu's
like,
the
oh yeah, she's Padu. Oh yeah, I wouldn't go to work either.
Padukron.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's pretty popular, the old paru
Yeah,
cron.
yeah, the old
Paducorn.
Yeah.
Paduvid.
And you're like, hey, it's not only you walk into a room and you're like, hey, hands up, everybody on a good vibe, and
No.
hands down.
Yeah,
hands
yeah.
down.
Get home, have a wash.
It's like that reminds me of that video. I think it was Johnny Tuivasa put out, and it's like when your mate like is staying at your house and he doesn't have a shower while he's there, and you got to try and drop hints for him to have a shower. Oh, bro, have you tried the new Lynx Africa body soap? That's nice. You should try it. And they're like, no. Like, oh, are you sure?
Oh, bless.
No, but if you're a real mate, you're like, bro, you're paru.
You're Padu.
Yeah,
No,
actually.
it's good to have you back, Mas. Now
You
tell
see.
everyone actually what you were doing.
Oh, no, big, huge shout out to the whānau of Otiria Marae. We were up there with the Northland Regional Council
Chad.
and the community. They're looking at whakaorana rātou i ngā awa,
Oh,
i
cool.
ngā estuaries, i ngā streams o reira,
Amazing.
oroto o moerewa. So, yeah, they were collecting like
Samples.
water samples
Oh.
and what are the little, is it elves? Like eels and the little baby eels and other species of fishes.
I don't know, to eat.
Yeah. No.
Oh.
See,
Oh.
like they've been eating them for years.
Yes.
That's how they live,
Yes.
which is all good. And they even had, they were even talking about how Moerewa used to have catch the biggest tuna.
Oh, wow.
But now, after Mātauranga and
Ah.
after several wānanga, and, you know, heaps of people already know this, but they found that those big manga tuna are actually the mama that carry all the baby tuna. And so they, you know, they would have
Leave
been
them
running
alone.
out of tuna.
Yes.
So, yeah, it was all about that wānanga. And so our mahi was, as part of NIFA, was to go up there and capture it.
Oh, cool.
So, yeah.
Oh, good. You were busy.
Yeah. So
And
you
getting
went with
Padu.
your husband, who was an all black.
Oh, you know, he came.
Oh.
And I was like, look, pick me up later.
Oh,
I'm
Yeah.
busy. I've got work to
oh, I
do.
like that.
Yeah.
Oh,
That
get
was
a
another
girl.
option for the audience to choose.
Yeah.
Yes. What was it again?
Thanks,
If you're
audience.
home in your Padu, away with your husband, who's an all black.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was
And
the
then
other
the
one?
No, I was away with my husband who's just black.
Oh, the other one was in working
Rhinoplasty.
for doing something for rhinoplasty, and everyone said Padu.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah. Thanks, everyone. Got my back. But I did listen on the way up.
Oh,
Man, you said good. You guys should be on radio.
Yeah, well, we are 15th.
not for long.
According to TMP, we are rated 15th.
Oh, yeah. Bring it on.
Out of 16.
Yeah. Audience, you need to
We're
have some
coming for you,
respect.
Scotty.
We are
Yeah.
coming for you.
Yeah, Watia was number 1.
Oh, kia ora.
Don't know why.
Well, Wātea the way, because we're coming.
What?
Watia the way. Watia the huarahi.
Oh.
We're on our way.
How about you? How are you feeling?
Yeah, no, I'm all good.
Good.
Jen's in all the way nesting mode because our
Oh, I
baby's
thought you were
like
gonna say
due.
She's ready. Like,
Oh, no. Well, she's, it's like,
basic.
could be any day between now and her due date, which is the 1st of Feb. 4th of
Wow.
Feb. 4th of Feb.
That is
So
a
it's
week
kind of
away.
like, yeah, it's like not long. So
Yeah.
she's like, she blew up the pool. She's like washing and drying all the old new baby clothes. And
Oh,
she's getting the bassinet ready. She's doing all the the nesting tasks.
Yes.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cute.
Yeah.
And you're going to be forever tired.
And then your
soon.
little toddler's
Oh, well, you already
behind
am.
her, undoing it all.
Yeah, exactly.
Nope.
Yeah. She's like,
Shut up.
fold it, put it
What
behind
this,
there,
ma'am?
turns around, unfold it. Yeah. What that? What's that?
Cute.
Unfold.
Oh, bless her.
Love
heart.
it.
Great.
Yep. So we're all good. We're signing
Fantastic.
our loan papers today too.
Oh, that's scary, Tunga.
Yes, so we're
Yes.
heading into to Henderson Reeves to meet our solicitor. Well, to go meet up with our solicitor, sign the loan papers, sign your life away to the devil,
Yeah. Oh, wow.
which is the
Wow.
corporate capital gains government. Nah.
And you need to put on a certain voice.
Oh, yes.
You've
Oh,
got-
hello there, Alana. Good to see you. Yes, no, I'm here to sign my loan papers. I'm here to sign my loan papers. Yeah, for my third property.
Beautiful.
It's my third property. I'm an investor.
Because you're
Please sign
live.
here, Mr.
Yeah.
Ruka.
Yeah. Thank you. Oh,
Do you
I'm just
forget-
gonna get my other lawyer to look over that because you're new.
What kind of pen do you call this?
Yes. Oh, just normal ballpoint. Oh, what kind of establish you running?
No,
here?
thank you. I'll pull out my Parker.
Yeah. Hang on, let me just open my
Hey,
glasses
is that
case.
still a thing? Do people still?
Have their own pen?
Yeah.
Fountain pens.
Well, when I was 21, someone gave me an embroidered like a, what's the word? we use?
yeah.
Engraved,
Yeah.
proper, encased pen.
Yes.
Have I used it? No, too scared to. It's too flash.
Yeah, I got one of those, a fountain pen like that when I left one of my workplaces.
Yeah.
Can't remember, I've left a lot.
I
And,
remember, yeah.
and I was like, huh,
It's like, hi,
you
how
obviously
are you?
don't know me.
I remember my mum got me a Parker pen and my nana.
Oh, there you
And
go.
the way they gave it was like, I was appreciative of it, but I was like, wow, this is a big thing. Right?
It's a
You know, I
pen.
don't even have my pen license at school.
Wow, I still use pencils.
Yeah, my
Yeah.
writing is cack.
Mine is too. It's who writes these days.
Oh, yeah, hard out.
Oh,
It's not until you go to write that you realize,
I
oh,
don't.
fuck, I can't write. Yeah, what happened? Like you get shaky and
Yeah.
like, oh man, that's right.
It's all over the place.
Yeah.
Anyway, ngā tohu huarere mō tēnei rā.
That's
Right here in Te Whanga o Rei Pai,
Kohi, kohi ngā cockles.
Yeah, it's right. Well done. Kohi kohi ngā cockles. It's currently 19.8 degrees, so this morning it is hot and it's only 7:19 a.m. But it's a high of 25 degrees here in Whangarei, and in Auckland it's a high of 26 degrees. It is 90% humidity today, which means one thing. It is sweaty tanga and moist. Ooh, yeah, drippy, drip, drip. Morning cloud, clearing to fine southeasterlies, and also currently right now it is raining.
Thank you for that. I'm glad you told me that. Ki ngā tai o Whangarei, low tide will be at 9:30 this morning. High tide later on this afternoon at 10 to 4.
Oh,
I said it that slow because I have to count in my head what 15, 16 is. 16 is 4 o'clock.
Yeah, Jozzy. Yozza!
and
Oh my
then
God.
and then think and as to do with the tires, we then move into sexy maramata.
Oh, and look, you know, I just noticed people jumped on just now because
Yeah.
they want to listen to you,
Yeah.
Sarah K.
Nah, they were on
Sexy
it.
maramata.
Nah.
I'll sing Hina
Yes, change it up.
Actually, you
Tari
should.
Manawa.
Oh,
That's all I know.
live.
Just go back to your
local,
days
and
where you're
at
like,
home.
Jen, I wrote you a song. Oh, that was just on the anniversary.
Yeah, that was. That's right. That was our 10th anniversary. Didn't write it, but sung it.
All
Yes,
right,
anyway, here we go. Tēnā no tātou. Nau mai hoki mai ki tō koutou tino wahanga ki aniko. Sexy māramataka. I te ata nei i haere i te taho o te moana. I pātai atu ki a hina. He aha te wahanga o tēnei mārama. Hei ko tāna, ko tangaroa whakapau. Te wahanga o tēnei mārama. He rā pai ki te hi ika. Me te whakatupu kākano. So, haere, me haere, kia whakatupu tō kākano. Sexy maramataka.
Wairu ao, yaro hae.
Tangaroa whakapau.
Ah, yes. Finish it, laugh.
dirty.
And then my
Haere
real life.
whakatō kākano. Ki
Yeah.
ora.
Yeah, whakatupu kākano.
Ai,
Yes.
and nā, kua whakatupu kākano a Phoenix, and ka
Mm.
whānau mai a tērā wiki.
Yes, absolute.
Kia ora.
Actual.
All right, koe rā ngā tohu huarere mo tēnei wā kia ki anō tātou ki te mita o te roi. And then very shortly we'll see what the weeder has to say.
Oh,
Wheel
the
of
weeder.
anxiety.
It's a wheel of anxiety. Nō reira, I whānau ki autonu mai, we have No Diggity from Blackstreet in the morning going. Shout out to Sarah Kay. It's the best with the tokotora tapu. That is correct. Go tonu mai, Ngati Hine FM.
No diggity, no doubt. Play on, play out.
Kia ora. Luke, welcome.
Welcome to the VIB, the very important backstages, where you learn all the tea. And the best way to not get burnt is to keep under the shade. Do you get it? Shade. Don't throw me shade.
Oh, I get it.
Don't get burnt. I'm giving you
Those
shade.
double meaning things.
Oh.
Oh, you're so funny. You're paid by the pound.
Morena whānau, if you're listening and you've got questions, tēnā pātai mai. And Luke will answer them all.
Yeah, ask me anything. Morena, Auntie Pauline. Morena, welcome to the VIB. Very important backstages. Oh my goodness me, who is that? Oh, and you're hot and you're straight. You make me, you piss me off.
Oh, kia ora. Yeah, the pain, the pain. Ere mara. Remember, for those who haven't seen our latest video up on the Ere mara, go watch it. Go
right.
check it out. Follow, like, share.
Actual, go check it out. That was funny.
At 9 a.m. Are you free?
Let me tell you how it goes.
Pūnani o te reo. E hā tō koutou te tika pūna nei.
Hey, moki moki.
Ah,
Oh yes. it's
taku
quite
hei
good.
moki moki.
It is
How te moki
similar
moki?
to what was it again?
Hey,
Tawhiri.
tawhiri, eh?
Yes,
Something.
It's like a scent
Necklace?
stone. Yeah. A fern.
Yeah.
Gives off-
Fern,
Is that the moki moki?
Yeah.
Kia ora.
Yes. Punani.
It's like, pūnani o te reo. It's like, puanani.
One vowel changes everything. Uri, ure.
Yeah.
That's right.
And a tohuto.
Yeah,
Yes,
toi
Keke
toi.
and keke.
Kiki.
No one wants to eat your keke.
Well, some people like it. I don't. But some people are into it.
Take and tika. Nah.
Tika and teka. Teko and teka.
Teke and teke.
Oh my god.
I don't know if that's even right.
Teke and asshole.
Similar.
What did Matua Edima talk about yesterday?
Oh yes, it was the red colour of the
Ah,
carvings.
yes, that was cool.
Call something.
Koko wai?
Yes,
That must be.
and then mixed it with shark oil
Ah,
to make the red paint.
wonder if shark oil's like whale oil. Yeah. Man.
I wonder if
Outside Hiiawa.
Yeah, you just get the mean woof and like, oh
Yeah.
wow.
I went in there. Oh, when did I go into Hiiawa a couple of days ago? The aircon was on.
Oh.
Yeah, and I was like,
Oh, and the office.
yeah.
See, e hara te rai a maua. But...
I know. And like, you know, who knows how long it was on wrong. Because last time I was in there was December the 17th.
yeah. Actual.
And
Days.
it was nighttime at 2 a.m, so we definitely didn't have the aircon.
Live, local, and inside your home.
Kia ora.
Local.
Oh, Fern just messaged. What did she say? What a jam.
1 minute.
Oh, she must be listening. Isn't it great?
It's Thursday already.
She's back.
Why, yeah, actual.
Oh yes, I'm going to meet with that lady, Linnell, today.
Manage.
I'm going to try and get all of it. What do you want? Yeah, we can do all of those.
Okay, putting you back on front of stage at te iwi. Where you can hear Matu Inima.
To the Cape. Because if you go to Tainui, if you go to Ngāti Awa, if you go to Tūhoe, they don't say Hare mai tai tokerau. They don't say Hare mai ngā puhi nui tonu. Whether you're from Te Rarawa, Te Aupōuri, Ngāti Kahu, Ngāti Whātua, they say Hare mai ngā puhi. Ngā puhi nui tonu is generally a term used to describe the region from Tāmaki to Te Rerenga Waipu.
Days of old. I ngā wā o mua.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tū atu I Hikurangi. Morena e te iwi, it's Luke, Marcy and Phoenix right here with E Ara E Mara flapping in your nest till 9 a.m. this morning.
Nice.
Tika tau.
Tika.
Wai ana e rā kōrero. Tēnei wā e te iwi kia tahuri ake ai tātou. Tō tātou te tiro, or those who are listening, whakarongo, are taringa mai, ki ngā kupu a te wīra.
Oh, that's right, whānau. We are getting into Te Wīra, where we find out what game we played this morning on E Ara E Mara.
It's the wheel
Okay.
of anxiety.
Ke tirite.
Aye. Spin my wheel. Spin my wheel.
Okay.
Te Wīra.
Te wīra.
Te Wīra. Here it
Te
comes.
wīra. Te wīra. Te wīra.
Ah, that's Luke's favourite.
Yes.
So we, according to Te Wīra, so if you're listening at home, whānau, and you can't see our live stream, we just spun the wheel and it is 5 and 10.
5 and 10.
That is literally Luke's favourite game.
Aye.
It's not my
Can't
favourite.
wait. It's your favourite.
Can't
And it's
wait.
coming up in the next couple minutes. Here we are, no tuatahi. Here's Rob Ruha. Tukuna.
Oh, yeah, there's a jam.
Let's go,
Currently,
Robbie.
7:30 here on Ngāti Hine.
I just call him Robbo. Boys.
I'm like, oh, get off quickly before copyright, because Rob's one's a strict.
Welcome back, VIBs. You're the VIB, you know me. VIB. Everybody sing.
Don't never know it. Mighty, mighty go it. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-da-da.
By the way,
I know, trying to find your frequency.
it depends where you live, Tanya. Tanya Rees, where do you live, girl?
She doesn't find us. It's 99.6 in Whangarei, eh?
Yes.
And 99.1 north of Hikurangi. Crazy?
Can you type back to them, Mats?
If you're in the
Yes.
live stream.
I think I can type back now.
think
Well,
it's
let's have a look. Let's test it.
99.6.
99.6, crazy.
Oh, you know them.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Yay.
She listens every day.
Good on you, girl.
It worked.
Oh, there we are. Morning, man. Real good, thanks. I can take you at 4 this arvo if that's cool.
That's not cool.
That is not on 4 o'clock. Okay.
Kia ora hoa.
Yeah. Kia ora, crazy. Give your baby heaps of kisses for me, please. And then slap your husband in the face.
Slap him across his other face. Yeah. That'd be great. Thank you.
Okay, so we're currently listening to Robert Ruha. Tukuna. I don't know if I've heard Tukuna.
It sounds like
Must be like an old album, eh?
Yeah.
Because his new album is a vibe, and it definitely has like hononga, kinga water katoa, orunga e tira kopaki.
Crazy said, okay, you gave me permission. He said, thank you. He said, thank you. Who's Henry's? Thanks, please. If you mix them up. Oh, God, looking forward to a catch up. Likewise. Would it be okay?
Yes.
I forget they can hear me, sorry.
Would it be
Yeah, it
okay?
was a long weekend this weekend. That's cool.
Hard. Then we have 2 long weekends in a row.
Yeah. And then next
Oh.
weekend is Waitangi weekend.
What are we up to, Tiwi?
Yeah, what's everyone doing for Waitangi Day? Oh, we should talk about it. Let's talk about it.
Yes.
Yes. I'll save it for the show. Just to
Don't
see-
tell me now. Nah.
what's everyone- Yeah. No. Because there's no Waitangi Day. So what's everyone doing?
I'm doing my own hikoi. No.
I'm going to march from here to Poneke.
Or is there something that we can do like we did Anzac Day and stood out on the driveway?
Ah, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Nah.
It's like buy some ribs and do a barbecue. Do a
Nah.
I'm going to the beach house, so you're welcome to come.
That's right.
Oh, you've got a VJ.
I'm coming.
30 seconds. Oh no, 40 seconds.
Going to the beach house because we're white.
What?
It's a beach house? Who says beach house? I don't know that calls it a beach house. Who does that?
Because no one you know has one. Just like me.
Iwa te kaumā, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei. It is e ara e mara right here until 9 a.m. this morning. Welcome.
Kia ora.
Yes,
Welcome
that's
to the
right, whānau. And
nest.
if you're just tuning in, Te Wira told us that on E Ara E Mara we have to play 5 and 10.
Kia ora.
Yes, so
You don't know the rules of this one. It's you got to answer five things in 10 seconds. You're under pressure.
Under pressure.
Is that us?
Under
Are we ready?
pressure. We are ready.
All right, let's go, whānau. Ko tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga ki ane ko.
Get your skates on. Hey. Okay, here we go. I'm going to throw it to you, Luke. and
Okay,
then we'll go
Marcia.
round that way. Okay.
Phoenix, you count the
Name.
10 seconds.
All right, here we go.
5.
I'm going to count it out loud so you get nervous.
Oh, yes, do it.
5 male retail shops. Go.
10.
Hugo
Mississippi,
Boss.
9. Mississippi,
Barker's.
8. Mississippi,
Helen
7,
Steins.
Mississippi, 6. Mississippi, 5. Mississippi, 4.
Calvin Klein.
Mississippi, 3. Mississippi, 2. Mississippi, 1.
Do you
Mississippi,
even
0.
know fashion? Are you even like, do you like know fashion and retail?
Yeah.
You don't.
Oh,
You should
that
try
was really
working.
good,
Are you a
Buzz.
male?
Oh, that was hard because of you. Oh, okay, we got
Yeah,
you.
that was pressure. That was pressure.
Okay. Oh, damn it.
I know.
I
I'm
don't-
disappointed.
I don't know any
Wait.
specific
Kotaka
male
roto?
ones either.
Why? Because that's my thing.
Obviously not.
I feel so defeated. Okay, Phoenix.
You heard it here first. Luke does not know fashion.
Clearly. Are you counting or shall I count?
I'll count.
Okay, loud.
Alright,
Phoenix,
here we go. Yeah.
name 5
Yep.
members
Yep.
of the
10.
current British royal family.
Ah.
Oh,
Queen, Prince,
10.
No, no.
no,
Queen.
you can.
Prince,
No.
Lord
No.
Farquaad.
Hey,
Lord Farquaad.
10. You need at least know
Well, I
3.
just do like surely there's
Six.
surely there's an Elizabeth.
5,
There's a Dave.
4,
There'll be a
Three.
Frank in there somewhere.
Two.
There'll be a Greg,
One.
and there'll be a
Try a William or a Harry
or a George.
or a
Here
Or
come,
Philip.
Philip.
Andrew,
Andrew. Well done.
Margaret. Oh
Margaret,
man, I know.
I knew you knew this. I was like,
see.
Nah,
Phoenix.
see,
I
I don't
definitely
think I
do
knew
not.
that much.
You
Not
make
my
me
king,
laugh.
not my queen.
I'll we didn't say it was.
Yeah, that's what you improved.
I'll count. You go, Phoenix.
Okay. Marcia.
10.
Hey, he did that for you.
Name 5 current All Blacks.
10.
Oh, Xavier.
9. 8.
Is what's
7.
his name?
6.
Luke McAllister.
Holy
Manu
heck.
Fetitua.
Manu Fetitua, Carlos
3.
Pizza, Dougie Howlett,
2. 1.
Rokotoko.
Oh, not the whole 90s All Blacks.
What?
Like
They were
the,
the jam, though. Even I
Who
know
knows the
that.
All Blacks of today?
No idea.
I mean,
No.
oh,
clue.
Aaron Smith.
there we go.
No,
There's
Only.
one.
I have no.
Xavier and Aaron Smith. Anybody else on the team?
No clue. Why happened to
Tano
Robert Where
Manga.
did he go?
He's just
He went
old. He's old now.
He went back. Oh,
That's cracker.
okay, that was great.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, another
Another
one.
one.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, I'm ready now. I'm ready.
Name 5.
Yep.
What am I doing? Name 5.
I'm ready, Mas.
Not fashion. He doesn't really know it very well.
Name 5
Yeah, I'm
car
ready.
manufacturers.
Dead. Ford.
9.
Holden. Toyota.
7.
Are they? Oh, yeah, Toyota.
6,
Nissan.
5.
Oh, a BMW.
Oh,
Yeah.
good one.
Oh, you tricked. Oh, that was good because I
Yeah.
was like, I don't know.
I should have said high end.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
I know them. Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. Okay, sorry, Phoenix.
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm ready.
right, got you,
Or
Phoenix.
am I?
Oh, Phoenix.
Oh, here we go.
Name 5.
Not Cherry Queens.
Not Annie Crummer.
Oh, that was Eddie Crummer was going to be it.
No. Not
name,
Celine Dion.
name 5 flowers.
Oh.
Go.
Hydrangeas, rose, tulips, kawakawa, tupaki. Now they're not flowers. Daisy,
Oh yes,
and then
you got this.
a
The obvious-
Wapalo. Floop bloop.
One. Bloop bloop.
Yeah.
Tulip.
Yeah. Floop bloop.
Did you say rose?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, you were cucking.
But then I said plants, and I was like, nah, I better backtrack because those are plants. They're not
Yeah.
flowers, technically.
Oh.
And you lost.
I only got 4. Nah, floop bloop. Google it. Have a Google.
It's those rainbow coloured ones.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Hey, if you yeah, you're mine.
I'm going
Was
to
it
you.
me or was it? Yeah,
I'm
you
going
go.
to you. I'm
and
going to
then
Marcia.
I,
All right,
count.
Marcia. Give us 5 songs sung
Oh,
by
oh.
Disney princesses.
No.
A whole new world.
8,
And
6,
holy heck.
No, that's
Beauty
not
and the
one.
Beast. Does she sing that?
4,
No. She doesn't.
3,
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
2.5, 2 3/4.
Oh my gosh.
2 3/4 and a little
A
centimeter.
girl like me. Is that even a
What?
zero?
What is that one?
I was trying to do Ariel. What did she say?
Under the sea. Oh no, that's the flounder. Isn't it?
Yeah.
I hold you.
A whole new world.
Oh,
That's not even-
Looking in the mirror. What's the mirror song?
That's Mulan.
Can you see the light? Oh, I don't know. Is that who?
No, that's Mulan.
What are the, yeah,
oh,
what are
oh,
the
that's Mulan, but it
just-
is one though.
thingamabobs? Da-da-da-da.
That's a hard one.
I thought that was quite a good one though.
Yeah, that
like-
was a good one.
That's good
Man,
for you.
I don't know
Yeah.
any.
The Royals are good for Mars and me. The
Yeah.
flowers are good for me.
Yeah,
The All
anything
Blacks are good for
Disney.
you.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
really clever, guys. We've really got each other's back.
Yeah.
We're like,
Yeah.
right, I like
Second
this.
bird.
Yeah, I like this and they don't. So that's fine.
I lost one. She's gonna lose.
Anyway,
Yeah.
Fido, that
was
was our game. Yeah, Mara for this morning.
That was
If you want to
great.
play that at home, here, Mama. Well, it's
Mama.
not easy to play, but it's easy to. The rules are easy.
Probably
Um,
easy to play.
Yeah. So 5 and 10 seconds, you got to name 5 things, whatever. 10 seconds, boom. It's pretty cool. There's a board game out called 3 Second Rule. That's pretty much the same thing.
chill.
But you can play that one. Nō reira whānau, ko
It's
hoki
vibes
tātou,
and stuff.
i te mito te rohe. Anything, we got a song called Anything You Want?
Anything
on
you
the muta.
happen.
Anything You Something by House of Shiv.
Oh,
Te moto te rohe.
See, I know you,
That's
mana.
it, FM.
Anything you want, girl, be there to feel.
Anything you want.
Oh, I love the summer content.
Anything you ask for. Ora. Okay, now we can forward sell. Oh, what is the time? Should we forward sell topical news or should we forward sell that question?
Yeah, the question, yeah.
Or should we just talk straight and go straight into it?
Straight into the question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, someone there. Anything you ask for.
Welcome to the VIB. Yeah, you know me. It's a VIB. Everybody sing. Come and find the chorus. The mighty chorus. Inaudible. Because I don't know the words to that part.
Oh, okay. I was like, what's inaudible?
Oh, no, sorry. Oh, I don't need to panic.
You made me panic. You made me eat. Okay. Okay.
Who's we together makes a queer if you sit down on the toilet. It's
Oh.
really important that you poo in a wheel. What did you do last night? Anything exciting? It's good on you reading emails. I was like,
Oh,
she's
yeah.
reading emails today, has she? Nope.
While I was busy all day. Thank you. And so I'd appreciate it if you tell me when I've got an email.
Well, when you got that email, because I emailed them to say,
Yes.
hey, the update, what's happening, schedule, we've got the message from Lydia, but nothing else.
Yeah.
What's going on?
What's
And
going
they
on? Are
called
we
us
on?
in a nice way, and
Yeah.
then they came back with that saying, hey, we just had a discussion,
Mhm.
it's been postponed. I was like, oh, okay, fair
I was
enough.
just going to say, because, like, we're on and, like,
Yeah, I was like, everyone's quiet, and I don't like that. I want to know what's going on.
what's going
so
on,
then I thought,
boys?
well, why don't we get together?
Yes.
Just so we can meet the new team, because it's a
Hard
whole
out.
new team.
Have some
So I was
cocktails.
because then they asked us what day are we available, and I was thinking, oh, actually, I should have asked Marcy first. I haven't replied yet because I thought, would it be easier if we would go for a day trip or go down on a Saturday?
Day trip probs.
Yes, okay. I'll
Just
do that.
after the show.
Yeah, just do a day like a lunch or something.
All right.
Cool. Any day, like in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, should be. Just not the holiday days. Mondays.
Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, so we're pre-recording tomorrow's all good.
Yeah.
Aye.
And then the following Friday we do
Yes.
the same because it's
Yes.
Waitangi Days. Yeah.
You heard it live here.
So, oh,
We have to pre-record.
celebrated on a Monday.
Yes,
Waitangi
because
What are you doing after pre-record tomorrow?
Day. Probably going home for a kaka.
oh my god.
What are you doing?
Oh, so we haven't done breakfast and anything.
Oh, you want to take us out for
Ah,
breakfast? Oh, look, he's needy.
Why?
He's-
Why?
He's
Because
needy.
we are a family, like a giant tree, branching out of the sky.
We are a family.
We are so much more than just you and I.
We are a family.
We need to go to karaoke just for that.
Hard
Me
out.
too.
We need the one where you book the booth, because I don't want to sing with some random auntie.
Yeah, we should. We should do an
Like
Auckland
this
trip.
one.
We should do an Auckland trip to book a karaoke. You know the one that there's a Japanese place where you eat Japanese
Yeah.
as well as
Yeah, yeah.
Sing from your seat.
That's a vibe.
That's a winner.
They used to
Hey,
have,
we should do
like,
a sing for my birthday.
They had heaps of them in Aussie where you'd like book out booths and that, and they'd have an iPad on the wall, and you'd order your drinks on the iPad. And
Oh, there it is.
Oh, we like that. We
That
like
was
that.
cool.
We like that. Remember Tai Tom?
Own one.
Karaoke? No.
No.
You eat dessert first.
Yeah.
Eat
But
food
the food
first.
was
No
great.
karaoke. Oh, so good.
I say was because it's still there now, but it's not like it used to be.
Mm.
Kaka! Oh, gosh.
It's a good segue into what we're about to talk about.
I know.
Iti iwi.
I love that little segment on our Insta. I thought, oh, the memory of a line of your phone.
Did you watch the movie?
Yeah, don't like it. Dumb.
Nah, never watched it.
No, the original one when it's filmed on the West End.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Hey. Like as actually film the musical.
Yeah, on the stage.
Oh, yeah.
But it's exactly what you would expect, but more. Whereas this movie, Jennifer Hudson was great. Don't get me wrong, she's
Yeah.
incredible.
But just the movie was cats.
It doesn't work. Not at all.
I was waiting for real cats. Just
Well,
for
that's the
2
thing,
hours.
They tried to make them real because they use lots of digital stuff. And it's
You're
dumb.
like, I know, that's a human.
And the
cats.
scale, the
Yeah.
scale doesn't work
Oh,
because
bro.
they have them dancing. There's a railway cat. That's a railway cat.
Mm.
And they dance on the railway line, but they make them look like they're the size of mice. And it's like, that doesn't work. They're actually big. Cats are big.
Who was on
So it's dumb.
Graphics?
It got voted like the worst
It's
movie
not
of
good.
the
Ever.
decade.
Uh,
1 minute.
Yeah, and because they try to use lots of well-known faces, but it's like, you don't need the faces because they're not singers. Rebel
Kia
Wilson is
ora.
not a singer.
Oh,
yeah.
And she plays a friggin' great cat.
And
And
no one wants to see Jason Derulo's face.
no, and he was dumb. Oh, it's like, no.
He was here, Rum Tum Tugger.
Yeah. Oh,
Also,
excuse me. Big. Who was he from? I love that.
What were you batting for,
I
James?
was a
eh?
fat cat. Thank you for reminding me, buddy. That's right.
No, you were the big joyful cat, Jolly.
The big jolly joyful. Another word for fat.
Ngāti Hine FM.
Iwa te kauma, iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kauma, iwa ira tahi tū atu I Hikurangi Morena e te iwi.
Morena to you at 7:50 a.m. You're here with myself, Phoenix, Marcia, and Luke this morning. The whole crew's back. And yesterday we posted a question on our
Right.
Instagram page.
I loved it.
Yes, and it was a question just like, what used to be here in Whangarei that you remember?
Mm.
Like, what is all those, like, those places you reminisce about that aren't here
Uh,
anymore? And then you think, oh, that's right. It was amazing.
Yeah, possibly before its time.
Yeah, before
Yes.
its time, like, because from the stuff you guys have told me, I'm like, man, that would go off right now.
It would go so off.
Yeah.
I forgot to post to message another one actually. There was one I thought about was Al's Diner.
Ah.
Yeah, no, heaps of people.
Oh, they did?
So heaps of people
Oh.
commented on our post, which was cool. And so you got the Owl's Diner. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Nah, I don't remember.
It was
Al's
like
Diner.
an American type diner.
It was
eh?
a diner, but
Where was it?
next door to where the police station is now. It's a
Yeah.
real estate agent now.
Mm.
But you
Oh,
could go
exciting.
in there and get like
I think it was $10.
$10
Yeah.
Sundays, but they were huge.
So it was for like
see?
A
the
family.
whānau,
Yeah.
a tower,
Massive.
like what you see on Disney movie.
Yeah, yeah.
They
One
did it
diners and
here.
that,
Yeah.
Now you'd
And
pay
they
like,
were late night.
yeah,
So you like
Oh.
chips and ice cream.
and they dressed like diner people.
That's even.
There was an
that's
old school
cool.
jukebox.
Yeah, it was like a diner. That was cool.
I can smell it. I can still smell it when you walk in.
And like speaking about Owl's Diner, people put the tavern next to it too, the Settlers.
Oh, the sets!
That's where the police station is now.
Wow.
There used to be a pub
Oh.
there.
My auntie Lissy met her husband at this
Yeah.
to date at the sets. They used to go there for
Yes.
their date.
Yes, I remember that pub because I had to look for Nanny, Auntie Marcy's mum. We found it there.
At the sets. Oh,
Love it.
Oh man, nah, I don't know those places.
Yeah,
But Al's
people,
Diner, that sounds amazing.
and
honestly.
people liked your suggestion, bringing back the Whangarei skate rink.
Oh yes, the
Yes.
Whangarei skate rink. Because I don't even like. I never even went there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me too. But I remember
you
it.
drove
but I
around
remember
it.
it. Yeah, because I was too broke. Our family was too broke. But I remember it being there. And I remember seeing photos and videos and all of that sort of stuff, like the Whangarei skate rink. And then after, like, I don't know if it was right after, but then it turned into the Hatia markets.
Yeah.
Yes,
And I
that's
remember the
right.
markets well, because I was a kid going to the markets, and that's where we'd go buy our like Pokemon cards. And stuff.
Yes, and
But it was like a legit market,
Yeah, it
eh?
was
Like
huge.
it wasn't like a back of the boot one.
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
oh,
it
I
was
can still
massive.
see it,
Yeah.
smell it when you walk in, because that used to be the entrance to the old AMP,
Yes,
the winter show.
Yes.
Ah.
Again, people like the winter
The
show,
winter
bring
show.
it back.
And
Yeah.
where the
Kamikaze.
skate rink is, and there were the markets used
Yep,
to be.
yep.
Before that, when in the 1950s and 60s,
Oh, heck.
that whole building used to be like our event center.
Yeah.
So because my grandmother had her
What?
wedding reception in there.
Wow. And then,
So it was
and
like
then,
the place to be. Wasn't that cool?
wow,
Like,
and then before that, in the 1830s, it was Māori land.
Where my great grandmother had a whare.
yes. Oh my god, that's so good.
Just before the whalers came.
Oh, the
Whangarei, love it here.
Whangarei, love it
Yeah,
here.
but no, there was some like cool ass places, like even just the outdoor pools.
Oh, the,
Like, 'cause
the hydro slide from the top.
Yeah, because it doesn't seem like the outdoor pool seems recent, but then you think about it, you're like, nah, it was actually like
20
15,
plus
20
years
years
ago,
ago.
yeah.
And if you look at it back then, we used to think, oh, this isn't great. But if you look at it back like
Yeah.
now, it was great.
Nah, it was
Yeah,
great.
Like swimming
I
in all the
loved-
pools.
And
Swimming
diving
outside
boards.
is way better.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, and just the area to like have picnics and all of that sort of
Yes,
stuff.
There
you
was
know?
an
Yeah.
actual Olympic-sized pool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you get cold, and so you lie on the concrete to get warm.
Oh, the little
Yes.
kids pool.
Go
the
to
little
Friday
fountain.
swimming championships there.
That's right. That's right.
I wouldn't know. Can't relate. Yeah,
but yeah, the dangerous slide in the world.
yes, and you used to walk up those stairs and just hold onto the rail. Like there was no
Yeah.
safety thing,
Yeah.
really.
Yeah. And there's no lifeguard checking who goes down.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
just go
Or
down.
how many people went down,
Yeah.
just all at the same time.
Or maybe like some uncle nearly going off the side.
Yeah.
Oh,
I used to like there was always like if you were good at manus, you owned that outside
Yeah,
diving
diving.
pool. Like
yes.
and especially if you could manu well from the top, from the tower, you were like literally you're a celebrity.
Yeah.
You were
Aye.
Tamene.
Cannot relate.
No, me too. I used to. No, I
But it
used to
was
sit
like
on the little wee
fashion.
one.
Like manus influenced a lot of fashion too. So
Yeah.
like because people would wear like
Board
2 pairs of shorts.
Oh,
Yeah, 2 pairs of shorts, and then one
dude.
came up real high.
Oh my
Yes,
and then
god!
right up
yes,
under your like
yes.
nipple line.
Your
you wouldn't-
boxes.
Yeah,
Yeah,
your
yeah.
boxes right up. So you'd you do a big manu because it's so high, it's a bit of a slap. So you'd want a bit of extra protection.
But
So
you
it was
needed
so
like
good.
labeled boxes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you need
Yes.
those like ones with like the Looney Tunes on.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh wow!
And the bro Raptors ones.
Yeah, yeah. But you,
Oh,
But
wow.
that just
but it
shows
was like cool.
he's been
Yeah,
manuing all
exactly.
day.
Yo, rip those shorts.
Bro,
What
bring
memories.
back the outdoor pools.
Yeah,
We
Al's
had
Diner was so good.
Al's Diner.
It was like a big neon pink sign.
Al's
big,
Diner.
Yeah, big like neon
See,
sign.
honestly, that would go off.
it
right
would
now.
go nuts.
That would go
Yeah.
crazy.
And it was
like that type of thing.
burgers, chicken chips. It wasn't like anything hard out, but it was themed. Everything
Yeah,
was.
that
You
sounds
walked
yum.
in and
I remember like the trolley in the middle of it. Like
Oh,
you can go up
yes.
for your own
Oh,
sauce and
sauce.
mayo and
Oh,
stuff.
my God.
Oh,
bro.
what? That's
oh,
mean.
Marcy, you're just flooding
I
my memory
know.
game
What
right
year
now.
was this?
Like
about?
mid,
80.
no, it was like mid 90s.
Mid 90s.
To like
we were at school.
I think it closed in like when I was Form 2 or maybe third
Maybe
form.
like 95 onwards.
Yeah.
Nah, because I don't have a memory of it. That's just what I was wondering.
We used to walk down in the ice cream sundaes.
Do you follow
Yeah.
the Whangarei way back when?
Oh
Page?
yes,
Bro,
yes.
that's buzzy. Even because it's got like old photos of Bank Street from
Yeah.
like the 70s, and you're like, wow.
Whangarei was a hustle. There was people everywhere.
But it's
Now-
even
And that-
buzzy
yeah.
seeing cars. Like they're
The
those like
cars.
old like cars with the skinny bike wheels, you know, with the honk.
The cars
honks.
and people's fashion, like people were dressed up to the
Nice,
nines.
yeah.
Go out to town.
Everyone
yes.
wears suits to the pharmacy.
Yeah, and like long
hats and that, like those ones. It was
Oh.
those photos.
that
I'm like,
era.
wow,
yeah.
that's amazing.
Very cool. Anyway, we've got some more exciting things in Whangarei that everybody wants back, and we're going to talk about it more because it's just making kei te hikaka mātou
Yeah,
ko nei
actually,
roto i
aye.
te whare nei. Heoi anō i tēnei wā. We get back to the rhythm. Very shortly, our news from Wātea, Reverting Radio, and then we'll be back.
See you soon.
Go to Mai Whānau, Ngāti Hine FM. We have Let's Groove tonight with Earth, Wind and Fire. Throwing it way back to match our kōrero. Ngāti Hine FM.
Let's groove tonight.
Good timing too.
See you later.
How do we got? Al's Diner. Heaps of people saying Al's Diner. Winter Show.
Yeah, I'm in the
Georgie Pie.
Oh,
Oh, the ball pit. And then we used to climb up the slide outside the slide.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
You just climb up the actual slide.
Oh, the flaming was. Do you? Oh, you probably don't remember this. I was probably like 4 or 5. So it was 1991.
I was
no.
I was 2, 3.
So you know where Smiggle is now?
Yeah.
So next door there's a staircase that goes up, and I think it's like a
Yeah. An apartment or something.
no, it's like an accountancy or something now. Well, before that, it used to be, you know, the dentist that's in the church on Monu Road.
yeah.
So that used to be in there, and next door used to be something, the lodge cabin, and it was, I don't know, you think you walked in and it was like a wooden cabin style restaurant, and it used to sell the best chicken.
What?
And I have a memory of walking in, and I can
You
still,
love your chicken, eh?
yeah, I can still, I think it's called the lodge cabin, and I can still see the wood, and we used to sit in your booth, and it was chicken. And also go to the dentist next door.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
People got Decca.
Oh my!
Decca, and it went all the way through to the other
Vine
side.
Street. That's
Yeah.
right.
Remember buying Pringles at Decca.
Decca was cool.
Decca was
Where
cool.
did it close?
Yeah, it's whisper.
Hugh Wrights. Do you remember Hugh Wrights?
Big Fresh.
Oh, the
Hugh
dancing-
Wrights. Yes, what was Hugh Wrights? The
It was
clothes?
a clothes store.
Yeah. Men's one?
Yeah.
That could have been in your 5.
Could have been.
Big Fresh dancing vegetables. Free bread.
Oh, yes.
That was probably expired bread and we're eating it up. Yeah, see, someone put Diversions. What's Diversions? Is that the... Oh, Diversions, the theme park in Sikipunga.
Oh,
That's what it was
lovely.
called.
Good diversions.
Vince
Oh.
put Diversions too. Diversions, Whangare.
I just wrote theme park.
Theme
So I can
park.
still remember it being there, and then I remember it being like abandoned.
Yeah, I remember. Oh, it's a.
You don't remember a lot, do you?
Nah. There's all the cool stuff
'Cause he's-
before I was born.
Yeah, he's
But
young.
It was an
the,
actual
because it's a
theme
retirement
park.
home now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember someone telling me that retirement home used to be a theme park.
Yeah.
But that's it.
Why do they get rid of that? Why do people so don't think ahead?
It's just like
It'll go off
the
now.
costs and
Yeah.
they just probably can't
People
afford it
stop
at the time.
going. Let's go tonight.
Diversions. Is there any pictures online of it when you type
Nah. Shows me Rainbow's End.
Dumb.
Who does a seafood boil here in Whangarei? Anybody?
Yeah, there's this one place, but they're not very good.
Oh, is it? Yes, you told us that last year, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was on Facebook or something.
Yeah. But,
I mean, like, look at this. Awesome wall.
Oh, wow. Where's this?
That.
That's a crab.
Nah, that's in
Houston.
America.
Oh,
Yeah.
look at that.
Yeah, there's this guy on TikTok I follow, and he makes the ninjas out in his like yard with this big pot, and he just shows all the ingredients he puts in. That looks.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. The best seafood platter we've had is at Charlotte's Kitchen in Pai here.
Oh yeah.
It's big as fuck. Me.
Oh,
Hear the news?
I should put them
Put it
on the
on the-
news.
Yeah, you'll get some news.
Aye. Ko ki mai aini.
Remember the show, the host music you like. Well, thanks.
Engari kāre ngā tikanga mo te noho taratahi e rereke. Mena rā ka whai koe I te kano ārai whakakaha me ki te kano ārai tuatoru, ka kaha ke te ārai ato tinana I te omi kōna, koe rā te kōrero a tākuta Lily Fraser o te ratonga hauara o Turaki.
Ko tau mai ngā rangahau no Ingarangi, te ahua nei mena ko whiwhi koe I tō mea tuatoru, ka piki ake mo te Omicron ki te whitu te kaupāhenati te tiaki, tō tinana mai te Omicron. Kia kaua koe haere ki te hohi pera, kia koe mate rānei I te mate karauna, koira te tino whainga nui.
Kia te huri ake tātou ki ngā tatauranga kōwhiori o te 24 haora nei, 23 ke hi hōwi o tātou hapori I te 24 haora nei, ara kotahi kei te tai tokerau, 12 kei tāmaki, toko 3 kei Waikato, toko 5 kei Rotorua, kotahi kei tūpoko o tika me te tauihu o te waka. 12 ngā tāngata e tūrolo ana I te kōwhiori I te hōhi pera, toko 2 kei te hōhi pera o Rotorua, ko te toinga kei ngā hōhi pera o tāmaki makaurau. Kāore he tangata kotahi I te wāhanga whaomomo I tēnei wā. Toko maha ngā tāngata o Aotearoa, kua tuku koha hei āwhina I ngā whānau o Tonga, I whakamihia e nei koha I roto o tāmaki makaurau I nanahi. E 22 ngā puoto kawe kai, kawe tapu hoki I whakapaitia e Ngāti Whātua ki te karakia I mui te haere a e nei āwhinatanga ki ngā mautere o Tonga. Hei tā Michael Jones māngai mō ngā iwi o te Moana Nui Ākiwa I karakia ngia ngā puoto nei I runga anō hoki I te tūmanako me te aroha ka pai ake te apōpō I roto o Tonga tapu. Hei tā ngā rangatira o te tai tokerau e pakari ana rātou ki te pakanga mo te mana whakahaere I te wai o te rohe, mena rā ka eke te tohe ki te kāwanatanga ki wiriwiri. Kei te koke tonu te kāwanatanga ki te whakatatuki I tā rātou rautaki hō mo te whakahaere I te wai, e kia nei ko ngā wai e toru. Hei tā Cheryl Mai, a kahika o Whangarei, me pupuri tonu ngā kaunihira me ngā iwi I te mana o te wai, kaua e tukua mā te kāwanatanga e whakahaere. E whai ake nei ko ngā hā kinekina.
Tēnā koutou, ko Wirimura tēnei, ko hau tō tātou kai whakapāho, mo te hōtaka nei a taipari tai timu. E tuku rere ana ki ngā taihana a iwi, me te ipurangi ki te ao whānui, mai te rahina ki te rāmere, I te wangani pō ki te ono o ngā haora, ia ata. Kei roto I ngā hōtaka, ko ngā manuhiri tuārangi, me o rātou kaupapa, whakāturanga, kōrero, mea koutou waiata I te whākraka ki te ono. Nō reira, whakapiri mai ki a taipari tai timu. Te hōtaka, mo ngā kaumātua rangatira katoa, rāhina ki te rāmere.
Ko Moana Pasifika, te kapa hei tautoko mā tātou, mā te Māori I te whutupōro ngaio. Koe rā te whakahau a te tohunga whakatere waka no Tainui a Hoturoa Kē. Whaimuri hui te wānanga I whakahaere hiai e ia mā te kapa I ngā rā tatanei. Hei tāna tokorua ngā uri Māori kei roto I te kapa, engari kia maumahara hoki tātou ki o tātou hononga mai rāno ki ngā iwi o te Moana Nui Ākiwa. Hei tā Hoturoa, kaua tātou e whakatū tīma Māori motuhake, engari whakokotahi me ngā mautere o te Moana Nui Ākiwa, kia pai ai tā tātou pakanga ngātahi ki te ao whānui I roto I te Moana Nui Ākiwa tanga. Koe rā ngā hā, kinekina, kia ora.
Nā no reire te motu, mā wāte, mā te reo, hei whakamārama.
He mea tautoko nā te māngai.
99.6 Whangarei, te mita o te rohe. Ngāti Hine FM.
That's right, it's Iwa Takoma, Iwa Ira Ono, ki whangarei nei, Iwa Takoma, Iwa Ira tahi tuatu I Hikurangi. Morena.
Morena e te iwi. And thank you, Luke, for that very great introduction.
I was a little bit up something. Oh, yeah. Okay.
But if you're just joining us, whānau, that was our news from Wātea. Tēnā koe Scotty Morrison.
Oh, Scotty.
We've just been talking about a way back when.
Aye.
Yeah, and just like all the cool things that Whangarei used to have, sushi shops and gyms.
Oh, we have so much sushi shops. And actually, yeah, so much gyms.
Yeah, we've got I always think we've got the most sushi places and gyms per capita
Per
in the
capita.
country.
Yes.
Yeah.
And there's a new gym opening soon
And possibly
Yeah.
Indian restaurants.
Yeah.
And Thai.
And Thai.
And Thai.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which are all yum. I eat at all of them. They're all nice. But
Nah.
then when you think about a place like Al's Diner, like you guys
Oh,
were talking about,
was so good.
$10 bloody bowl of ice cream.
Kindles, if you remember Kindles, if you know, you know.
Kindles, and then you
Oh.
were saying Diversions, which was a little like a theme park up
Theme
in Tiki.
park.
Imagine having a theme park.
I know.
And Tiki Punga,
I
right by
remember
the
it.
falls.
I
Oh.
remember it.
There was the log film. You go off the
Yeah. Yeah.
And they're
Some of
gone.
them keep your hands in. Also,
Yeah, now you gotta take
no
your
one
own log down.
survived.
We were just talking about before Bogarts, or you can eat pizza pasta
Bogarts.
tonight.
Or you can eat pizza and pasta. Like that's a winner. And then we also touched on it's not a place, but like those origami letters that people used to send each other in high school,
Yeah.
here's an
Before you could
origami
text each
letter.
other, you'd
Yeah,
send paper
exactly.
notes.
Before you could text,
Tell
you had
me
to send
you
a
were
letter.
skacks in school without telling you you were skacks in school. Shot Phoenix. Me and Luke didn't have any origami.
Yeah, oh,
No,
we should
but you were saying, I was like, I never got origami
Yeah.
letters.
We just got scrunched up, refill, thrown
Yeah,
at us.
yeah.
Nah.
you guys were the letter folders.
I always got little blue paper that said detention, lunchtime.
Yeah.
Crack up.
Same.
Yeah, no, the
Laughing
origami
too
letters, man, and then you'd open it up, read it, and then they'd get mad at you because you didn't know how to fold it back up. Just follow the folds; it's already there. I'm like, bro, there's 86 folds. I don't know how it works.
And I've got one here from Dr. Truly Harding saying she misses heaven.
Oh,
Gosh.
heaven! Wow, you
Wow.
can still go there. It's a church now. Truly.
Yeah, actual Truly.
Yes.
You
But
can.
remember when Vine Street used to actually go off?
Oh, I
You would have to
know.
line up to go to bars.
It was like, it wasn't a car way. It was just all
All people.
standing.
And that was
Yeah.
what, only like 9 years
Along
ago?
the
10
street.
years
Yeah,
ago?
like 2009, 10, 11,
Yeah.
12. Yeah.
Yeah,
That
but
was
Danger, you
pumping.
used to wait in a line.
Yeah, well,
packed.
it was those new laws, It kind of it
Liquor
kind of
ban
ruined
and all
them.
that.
Well, the liquor ban and the lockout, like if you're not there
Yes.
before a
Yes.
certain
Just
time, you
killed the
can't get
vibe.
in. So, a lot of
Bro,
people stop going
Danger,
out.
danger. Even for like a Kai was a goer.
Yeah.
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 Danger, and if you know, Cuppies on a Wednesday. You had Cuppies on a Wednesday, $10. You got the wristband, and you got to, have a couple of beverages using your
Aye.
wristband, and then you'd move from there to heaven, where you'd see who's got the loudest table.
Oh my gosh. But heaven, I swear that the playlist of heaven, you know how they used to play the video as well,
Yeah.
is at the Whangarei bowling,
Yes,
Tempin
yeah.
bowling.
Oh,
Like, I
yes.
swear it's the
It's
same
great.
playlist.
Yeah, it looks like it, eh?
Yeah.
I know.
Let's give it up for Candy.
You are obviously a heaven
Because
goer.
because
Put
the
your
thing
jacket
about
at the
so you
door.
did Cuppies, on the Wednesday at Danger, but Heaven stayed open later. So you'd
Yeah.
go to Danger, and then you'd move. You finish your Cuppies, and then you'd move to Heaven because it stayed open till like 4 or whatever.
Yeah,
That
crazy.
place
Yeah.
is like a closed
Yeah.
at midnight.
I know.
You actually, it was like 3:30
Yeah.
was
Yes.
one of the earlier ones.
Yeah,
And then,
But then
that's 4:30.
and then
yeah.
everyone just congregated on Vine Street. It
Yeah.
was
Yes.
Hackorama.
You could
And
have
then-
a singing jam.
yeah, or
Yes.
you'd watch the drama unfold.
Yes.
Sit,
I
on
know.
the, sit at the car park, on
Uh,
the like brick wall, and just watch people have
Oh,
dramas.
that girlfriend over there, she angry.
Yeah, she angry. Oh, she got no
Hot dog
Andes.
man was in it.
Hot
thick and
dog
thin.
man.
the hot
See,
dog.
the nightclubs going out of business put the hot dog man out of
Yeah,
business.
I'm pretty
sorry
sure
for
he's
him.
around.
No,
though.
I've seen him every now and again
Yeah.
at random events, but
But
not
not the
like
same.
you
Yeah,
did.
not the same.
It was
though.
like first name basis. He was out so often.
yeah.
There was one time
His
where
first name is
when we
Hot.
went out. One time we went out and Marcia got our hot dogs, and then I think she either dropped mine or she
No.
ate it, but she put it back.
No,
into
take it
the-
back. So we went to line up. It was alternate Luke and I with the hot
Great
dog.
night it
And if
was.
you know Luke, he doesn't share, don't buy any of his Kai. Even no lips on his drink
I'm
bottle.
okay now.
Yeah. But back then it was that. And anyway, we were lining up, getting a hot dog for us 3. And then this random person had taken a bite out of theirs and then went, I don't want this. Do you want this? Then Luke was like, can you get me one? And then Orton was like,
Yeah.
here it is. As a joke, we thought you'd seen, and then you just went,
Oh,
oh,
I ate the
and
whole
then
thing.
we We held that secret for a good 10 years.
I was like, what?
Remember how you hated us taking a bite out of your hot dog? Yeah, well, a stranger took a bite out of it, and then we gave it to you.
Yeah,
And look,
stranger.
ora,
Yeah,
you were fine.
E whana tonu ana.
And that's how Omicron started.
That was a Murray on. Yeah, but we just reminiscing
Yeah.
hard out
Hard
about
out.
the cool things that happened in Whangarei. I can't believe that at one point in time there was a theme park.
There
here.
was bumper boats.
Yeah,
bumper
there was a
boats,
bumper boat and like
everything.
mini go-kart.
And, but-
like it's a proper theme park.
and now it's equally as fun. It's a retirement village.
And one day we
Oh.
actually went around retirement village tours with Luke.
Oh,
yes.
Again, the same people, Luke Horton and I, because we have such great lives. We thought, let's go retirement village touring. And we went in there and
We
all the
did.
looks like, what
What
are
are
you
they
guys doing
doing?
here? They've got a swimming pool and everything.
Yeah, I mean the
Oh,
best one
true.
I've seen is the Jane Mander one.
Kia ora.
Ooh.
I
That's
mean,
got a
if you're
theatre.
Jane Mander,
You
Te Mauri ora ki a koe.
have Jane
Yeah.
Mander, you've got an excess income of over 600,000
Yeah.
sitting in your bank.
They
yeah,
should
and you're in a
just-
retirement village even though you still own 3 mansions.
Yeah.
Pretty
That you're
much.
just willing to just give up. Hey, they don't even own it.
No, they don't own it. No, you don't own it outright.
Jane Mander owns
pretty
it,
much
guys.
lease it.
Jane Mander. Anyway,
Does it?
yeah. People are saying bring back Cobb & Co, Valentine's,
Oh,
Tarewa train
Oh,
park
the
thingy.
trains,
Oh, the
bro.
little
The
wee
mazes.
train.
The maze, the big grass maze. Like I don't know anyone who actually got through the maze.
That's why they cut it.
I remember
Yeah.
doing it as a kid, but then you actually get quite scared
Yeah.
because you're like, I can't get out.
Yeah.
Everything's green. I can't see.
But by
It's
the
gone
time
dark. Where are my
Yeah.
parents?
by the time I was old enough to like go in it, it was like dying, you know, it was
Oh,
like
yeah, it
not
was
quite so you could see through the
through.
fences and it was
Oh,
like
yeah.
not like full
I
hedge
did
anymore.
it 'cause
Yeah.
you can see.
Yeah. So it was like not as
It
cool
was
anymore.
cucks.
Apparently
Yeah.
heaps of dodgy stuff happened in there. That's why they got rid of it.
Oh,
But you know, it's
Ah.
one of those stories you don't really have any true factual information. People just
No.
nah, bro. Dodgy.
Yeah.
Mowed it.
All those good things. Hoki mai. kia whangarei.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And all the new things like a basketball court down by Hihiawa.
Oh,
Like on the
actual-
loop.
on the
That'll
grass.
be cool.
That
If
would
they
be
had a
cool.
basketball court down by in front of Hihio on the grass, basketball courts, 2 outdoor ones, and like a bar park like they have at Venice Beach, you know, like a gym, they
Yes.
outdoor gym setup.
Yes.
Bro.
I'll be down there.
Even a market there will be quite cool, like an
Yeah.
actual permanent market.
Hi.
Walking along, get your little.
Hey, we should go on the council.
Actual.
Nah, I just
Anywho.
thought about it.
Cheryl, before you leave,
I know, I don't want to.
yeah.
2 basketball courts, bar
Yeah.
park.
Just do
Just
it.
pass it
Buy
and
it
then
now,
leave.
buy it now.
Yeah.
Hard.
Alrighty,
Oh.
Right.
back to the
Memory lane.
the rhythm. Ngā matapai huarere mō tēnei rā.
Song to go to.
It's 19.8 degrees here in Te Whangaorei Pai
Kohi, kohi, ngā
Cockles. It's a high of 25 degrees in Tamakima COVID or Tamakima Cron. It is 26 degrees is your high today. It is 90% humidity, which means one thing. It is moist.
Yes, that's right, Whana. And we've still got some headlines coming up too. We've got some topical news coming up, so keep a look
Oh.
for that. Yeah.
Kia ora. Kia hoki anō tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Here is Nation Mystic. Man, bring them back. What they
Yes,
look like
we're-
now.
We're throwbacks all day. That's
Unity
it.
FM.
I was gonna talk about
Your mum.
no, that's a dumb topic.
Welcome back backstages.
Welcome back, VIB.
Nah, there was heaps of COVID cases at Soundsplash in Hamilton.
Oh.
Oh,
See Auntie Patsy Briars?
yeah. No, I didn't. Did you see the birthday? Okay, we're still on the backstage.
Yeah.
I don't know. Let's not do
Maybe.
it. What was I gonna say? You saying Soundsplash? Sounds in Whangarei.
Oh.
Where
Trying to get my singles.
no, I had like $80 voucher and then they shut down. And $80, that could have bought me eight CDs.
Yeah.
Sounds, and I just go in there and listen on the headphones.
Yes.
Oh, Luke. Blue Room.
Blue Room lingerie. Oh, I think I went there once to have a look.
Yeah.
But you feel awkward because it's
Welcome
women's
to the
lingerie.
60s.
Yeah.
Hey, it was like that.
And you're
Like,
should I go in?
come in. What are you?
What are you? A size E? Let's take you in.
Double G.
Yes. And then you go to there's Blue Room, and then what was next door? Rascals is still
Oh, what was
there.
that? Spaceys. There was an actual Spaceys on John Street, eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's down where the hospice shop is now.
Yeah. Close Encounters.
Yeah. Was it that?
Yeah.
And they had like pool table and
Close
yeah.
Encounters first, and then it turned into an internet cafe.
Now it's further up, eh? On
Yeah.
yeah.
And then that's where Close Encounters.
Just-
Pretty sure it's called Close Encounters.
Further up by the rock shop was that internet, eh? And that's when heaps. What was that game called? There were so many nuggets, eh, in there.
There was a place next door where the movies are on James Street or John Street.
Yeah.
And it was
Internet cafe, eh?
I used to walk in and it was the front was painted grey and it had giant what are the balls called on the pool? Those balls.
Yeah.
Painted on it. And you'd walk in and there was Spaceys and pool table and like food.
Yeah. And then there was another one down the
Yes.
street, yeah.
I went there with Jojo Clyde, Jeffrey Howson, William Timms. Wow.
Wow. Yeah. The candy shop. The joke shop's been there forever. The candy shop at the Strand. The jewelry shop at the Strand. Buy the candy. It was like, you know, like how there's La Visa and
Oh yeah.
yeah, it was that kind of yeah. What was that called?
Wow. We don't have those anymore.
Nah.
Anywhere. That's right. Used to. Oh my gosh, I could just
Yeah,
see
Blue Rev, of course.
Whangarei's economy was booming.
Booming. No, that Strand was packaraman. And no one ever went to Robert Harris upstairs.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I used to think if you went there, you had to be wealthy.
Yeah, same. I was like, oh, that's a fancy up there.
Yeah. Oh wow, that was.
And McDonald's, when McDonald's was on the Strand, as soon as that left, they
Gone.
Oh, what was that one on the
that's
corner?
Like, Webb's Motors office and Town Bus stop was on John Street, and right opposite was the billiard rooms. Yes,
Billiard
it used to be there.
rooms.
Oh, I went there.
Webb's Motors office.
John Street billiard rooms. Yes, that's it.
Bad Butcher. Bro. Remember when, like, down by the warehouse, and that was just the Rock and Roll Club indoor netball with the nets,
Oh yes.
and just like Port Road, like it was a dead end. Rock and Roll Club, we used to do rock and roll dancing. The cricket pitch was out there. Was the Port Road? Was the warehouse car park?
Yes.
Yeah.
Topical news.
Oh, yeah, topical.
I don't have any.
What do you mean you don't have any? Oh. One Love's back on.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
How are they doing
Actually,
that?
that reminds me, I need to contact them, see if we can get some tickets to give away. They're doing it in April.
Oh, yeah.
And then if it's postponed again, then they'll go to 2023. There's no more. Okay, I'm putting you back on the studio. On the line.
Ma iwa ira ono.
Iwa te kaumā iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei, iwa te kaumā iwa ira tahi tua atu I hukurangi mōrere e te iwi. You're here with the crew. Myself, Phoenix, Marcia and Luke. It is 8:21 a.m. And if you're just joining us, we've just been reminiscing about the hustle and bustle of Te Whanga Areipai.
It was pumping.
Yeah.
Back in the days. I did mention Blue Room. Those of you who know, it was a lingerie.
That's right.
Mum's got. My auntie Lovey took me there for my first bra.
Remember Mallets?
Mallets, yeah,
the fashion store.
That lasted. It was only a couple years ago that Mallets left.
It was there for over 45 years.
You're doing so well.
I know.
You know, I only went in there once and maybe only 2 meters in and then left. It's like, okay, I just want to look. I'm not there.
No, didn't you buy something? You bought something from there, didn't
Not
you?
Mallets. Probably Millers.
Oh, you make me laugh.
Yeah.
Kia ora tēnā, kia ora Harris.
Now it costs way too much to even own a building in town, so they're like, nah, let's just not have cool businesses.
Yeah, actual. And so it's empty tanga.
Empty tanga. Here goes town. Now town's starting to look like Waiwera.
Now the kids of today are going to go, yeah, Waiweras. That's sad. Have you seen those photos?
Yeah.
Yeah, terrible.
The kids of today are going to look back at whakare of today and be like, remember when those were empty? Yeah. They're still empty.
Anyway, we're going to get into our segment, our topical news right now.
Right now. Crossing to the streets of Whangarei, we've got our reporter live and direct. Bird, what's the word?
Well, thank you for that, Marcia and Phoenix. It's the bird with the word, flapping the flaps right here in the nest. And the bird of the bird today is coming to you from Florida in the United States.
Oh, cute.
Caitlin O'Donovan
Miami.
and Sarah Franks have been arrested because they decided at 3 a.m. they wanted to throw a glitter party.
Oh, not Caitlin.
Yeah, Caitlin Donovan. Terrible. However, one thing led to another, and it went a little bit too hard that... Oh, your mum just messaged me. Sorry. It went so hard that they ended up injuring the man they were trying to play with so bad that he had to have eye surgery due to all the glitter they were throwing at him. Then they realised what was going on so bad that they tried to run away. But the women were arrested because the police basically just traced their vehicle. And it had
glitter.
They had over 50 litres of glitter.
Just
so they were purposely out to hurt someone with glitter.
Well, the reason they're saying was they weren't meant to hurt him. They were just having fun throwing glitter, but it got so bad he had to have eye surgery. And so he charged them, and they took off, but their car had a glitter trail.
So they literally like had a sparkly Hansel and Gretel situation.
Yes. So there we go.
Just some sparkling breadcrumbs that led them right to the criminals.
Oh, what a sparkling criminals.
Yeah, well, because if you're not not expecting and your eyes are open and someone got a handful of it and it hits you quite hard, that's all getting stuck in your eye. Man.
Joke's on you. And then they run off. They don't even check if it's right. Oh, that's terrible. Was that? Thank you, Luke. You've wrapped up. All right.
That's like that's what I always see YouTube videos. You know, when they do stuff like that, or it's quite like it's over the line pranks to strangers in the streets. You know. And then the guy goes to like chase them and hit them and like because they're mad, and they're like, it's just a prank, it's just a prank, and the guy's like, oh, I'm like, I don't care.
This is not a prank.
Like,
You're an egg.
Yeah, I don't care.
Like
this is the consequence of your prank.
There's a line where there's a prank, and then if the prank actually hinders that person's day,
exactly.
Like, haha, I just sucked you, a random person.
Yeah,
going to work.
Yeah,
thank you.
It's a prank for my YouTube. I don't care. I'm still wet.
Yeah,
I still gotta go to work. Like, you still ruined my day,
guys.
You still gonna get it,
and that's coming from some funny people who take no humor. Okay.
Yeah, we like pranks.
Don't ever. You know. Don't ever. My headlines today is, of course, red light district. That's the alert system that we're under at the moment.
Red light district.
One Love was cancelled, apparently, but now new dates have been put out, and so One Love will ka ora anō ki tauranga te Aparira, April 2nd and 3rd. One Love, same layout, same lineup, same everything, just on April 2nd and 3rd. And they said if it's postponed again, it'll be in 2023.
Right.
Okay. So
sorry, I've got one more. one more. I've been sent this message in, which is actually really quite interesting.
Okay.
A farmer in the Tararua sunflower field, a sight to behold, it says. Abe Hoare has grown a big sunflower field on her farm. It is a half hectare, and she planted over 47,000 sunflower seeds.
Wow.
Why? Was to slow down the vehicles on the road, which is she lives on the roadside of her farm at Mangamaire, south of Pahiatua. So she planted 47,000 sunflower seeds, and now it's a striking sight of humongo sunflower seeds. So the reason why she did it was to slow vehicles down because they use it as a racetrack. However, the striking sight has had travellers pulling off the road just to stop to have a look and pose and take photos in front of her radiant backdrop. She hoped the masses of the yellow petals was a safe way to catch travellers' attention. Now she's a big viral hit.
Way to go. I mean, she probably went to the council. They did nothing.
Nothing.
And look, I'll just plant 47,000
sunflower
seeds.
And
That's
we all know
awesome.
that sunflowers can get up to 7 foot. So that's
Yeah.
huge.
Roskies. She could do a
That's massive.
sunflower maze.
That's huge. Good on you,
Yes.
Abe Hoare.
That's cool.
Hey,
That's a great way to
good
try
on.
and take matters into your own hand without
Yeah.
kind of like,
Hard
I
out.
don't know.
Flower power.
Touching on Omicron again, Omarion.
I'm a singer.
Yeah, what's the guy singer who sings Cheerly? Oh, Omi. No, that's not Omicron. But so Sound Splash. There was a festival called Sound Splash. Everyone got Omicron.
Oh, hey.
No, but there was quite a few confirmed cases there of people who had the Omicron variant who were at the Sound Splash festival. So now they're urging everyone to go get tested. If you're at the festival, to go get tested because there was a whole lot of bottles being shared, like water bottles being shared, and all of that. It's a concert. Everyone's close. So there were a few. It doesn't say exactly how many, but it says there were several confirmed COVID cases in the audience of Sound Splash. So if you're at Sound Splash in Hamilton, go get checked.
Ura. And then my one is just back to school soon,
Oh,
kiddios.
it is, isn't it?
Oh,
And
yeah.
I just wanted to bring up Kaupapa. Remember all these stationery back to school. I love stationery, by the way, but the stationery lists are getting ridiculous.
Oh, and that's
I know.
expensive.
Yeah. Gone
Like
are the days where you just go
3-4 books for maths. So one to work it out, one for draft, one for bro.
Yeah.
And then like all the calculators under the sun.
Yeah.
All the
It's
just so many
ridiculous.
books.
How do they expect people to do that?
I don't know.
I don't know.
But like,
That's pretty
hoki
ridiculous.
ana ki o mātaura, I reckon the older you got at school, the less you took.
Yeah,
yes.
actually.
You
Like
just
7th
took-
form was just the refill.
Oh, exactly.
Or a 1B5 and that was it.
Yeah, I had a refill, or if not, someone else's refill, like for the whole of sixth
Yeah,
form.
got a
and
piece of
seventh form.
paper?
Yeah.
Got a paper?
Yeah.
But
Even
yeah.
Mr. got a paper.
Yeah.
Oh, you should see the stationery list for private schooling. Now that's ridiculous. I'm like, whoa.
Oh, it's going to be labeled, their labels.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. But yeah, going back to school is expensive, and also touching on going back to school and Omicron. It is now compulsory that year 4 students and up have to wear masks at school. If you're year 4 and up inside the classroom
Wow.
and on the bus, you have
Year
to wear a
4.
mask. Yeah,
Wow.
year
What's
4.
year 4?
It's like
Yeah, I don't
they're
know.
like 7-year-olds.
Standard 3.
Yeah, 6-7-year-olds.
Oh, yo, we're
Primary
in
school.
primary.
Standard
Yeah,
1.
primary
Sorry,
school.
I was
Standard
thinking
1.
Form 4, no, year 4.
Year
Year
4.
4.
Year 4.
Yeah, that's
6 is
primary.
Standard 4. So
Yeah.
year
Hey,
standard 1.
come on.
So I'm not
That's a
sure how
long
that's going
time.
to go because
They're little kids.
they're little. They'll
Nah,
share
you know,
masks. They'll do all
you
of
know
that,
what it'll be like? It'll be like, it's hat day today and you didn't bring your hat, so no lunch for you. It's mask day every day.
Yeah.
Those who don't have a mask, no lunch.
Well, you can go outside without the mask on. You can't be in the classroom
yo,
or on the
I ain't
bus.
bringing my mask.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't come in. Oh, damn.
What
to
a way
maths.
to, what a way to
Damn.
like, build kids' anxiety up.
Yeah, it's a funny one, eh?
Mum's got, at private school, they will use the stationery.
Thank you,
Think
RT.
Yeah, well, he better because it's costing me an arm and a leg.
Actually, we went to semi-private, didn't we?
We did.
Yeah. Well, it was part private. Was it private?
We're
Public?
private.
Yeah.
Well, Mum, and your mum would say the fees say private. But look at us now.
Success.
Yes.
That's right.
This is what success looks like, baby.
Catholic success. gotta love it.
You gotta love it. The school,
Yeah.
the school
Yeah.
thinks we're
Look at your-
amazing because we are.
Your
Oh,
private
look,
school.
mass supplied.
Your
Oh,
private school sitting
that's
next to the guy who kicked out of 3 high schools.
Pretty much. I remember him.
All right. Kia ora tātou. That is enough headlines for now. Ki te mita, we've got Catch a Fire. They were a jam. Actually, the highlight of the LAB concert for me. Just saying, love a good concert where you can sing.
Yeah,
all
because
the
you know
lyrics.
all their words. Yeah.
I just know like 2 or 3 of their songs.
Oh, man.
Catch a Fire.
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean
Yeah, no, same.
Same.
Anyway, whare, kua hoki tātou ki te mita o te rohe. We have 100 from Catch a Fire. Kia utonu mai, Ngati Hini FM.
Yeah.
I'm on the road from Jeff.
Oh, Doo Doo Donut Day. Modi, it was only Wednesdays we do the Doo Doo Donut.
How was
every
it? Was it
Wednesday,
yum?
It was yum.
Oh.
I rated it a 7. It was
It's
huge.
good.
$2.50.
Nah, I reckon I'm gonna bring the New World next week.
Oh, Auntie Maud said.
Ah,
try the New World
yeah.
region.
The New World region.
Okay.
Ooh,
All right, I'm
Mama
excited.
Teddy.
$2.50. That was good value.
Yeah, mind you, the New World region, I think it's like $4.
I gave it a 7 out of 10.
Wow,
'Cause it
for the
was
first
soft
donut.
And it was gooey.
Was the actual bread
It
soft?
was,
like,
it wasn't chewy like
Yeah.
chocolate. It was just like,
it wasn't like cream on a normal bread.
because I thought this looks like a filled roll.
Image-wise,
It looked like
presentation,
a filled roll with whipped cream, but it was not.
But it was not.
Sweet, sugary goodness.
oh, you know what I feel like now, which I'm not gonna have? Pilkington's pie.
Going to the gym today?
Yes. Then I'll go have some scrambled. No, I think I'll have a poached egg on toast. I finally cracked it. A poached egg. I suck at poached eggs. I'm a scrambled.
I'm a scrambled or a fried. Not the best at
But I
poached.
finally cracked poached eggs.
They just take too long.
They do.
Yeah, I get
And then
bored.
if he's cooking for other people, it's like,
Ugh.
they're finished and I haven't even had my egg yet.
Can
I haven't
still
cracked
hear
the-
yous.
the
Yes. Yes, you can hear us. Welcome to the VIB, the very important backstage.
Kia ora mete.
If you're listening, it's because we can't give you onliners the radio song due to copyright.
So
you get
to
us.
hear us.
Woo!
But like, not us in an entertainment, trying to entertain you way. Just us talking.
Oh,
Secret is water needs to be boiling. Yes, mum. Also, the next part is the eggs need to be fresh.
Yes.
Because yes.
Otherwise
And then
cut.
a tablespoon of white vinegar.
Vanilla.
But- of
Forget
vanilla.
in your poached eggs.
And then the boiling. Yeah, but then I get like a ladle, put it in.
Oh, yes.
So then you crack it into the ladle. So that stays together a little bit longer.
The other way you can do it is you swirl your water.
Yeah,
and
but
you
then
dump it in the
I
middle.
tried that and it went everywhere. I haven't cracked that. Yeah.
Free range, yes, they're the best. I love a good free range ducky.
Nah, these weren't free. They were like $3. Nah.
Oh, Lars, you got a comment. Fire mask.
Fire mask. You won't believe my baby has the henare blue eyes. Yes, get it. I believe it.
I do believe it. You're a hinari. Of course I would.
I love
yeah,
that.
nah, he sent me some photos when we did a shout out to his baby.
Yeah, no, it was a great shout out to, what was the baby's name?
Oh,
Teku.
Monoa. Tekura I Monoa?
Tekura I Monoa Aria.
Nah, there was a word before.
Te Paella or something like that.
Beverly.
Paella. And so we affectionately nickname her
Baby.
Little Bev. Nah.
5 seconds. Pip.
Yes, the eyes. Love that, matey.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono ki whangarei nei.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi. Morena e te iwi.
Oh, sorry to wide away, anyway. Yes, if you're listening online, you will be waiting for the music because you ain't going to get it.
Yeah, no, because of all the copyright stuff, our lives keep getting cut off. So we're like, you know what? Stuff you.
Yes, other radio stations around the Motu do the same thing. So, hey, you're not the only one. Join us for the VIB, the very important backstages.
No, that's riveting.
VIB
Yeah.
pass. You know.
Reverting.
We just got to remind ourselves not to say bad things about people.
And if you don't want to get burnt, you stay in the shade.
Kuda.
What does that
Yeah,
even mean?
VIB. Yeah, see, it's just like good to know.
Shady,
with it.
shady queens. No?
Shady Queen.
Oh.
Slim Shady.
Now that you say it like that.
Good
Um,
yarns though. Thank you.
yeah,
Tiwai
good
Tiwai.
yarns,
Thank
though.
you. What are we doing
Right.
now? What's the
We'll do
goss?
Tēnei wāhanga makau aku
Ai.
a tātou.
Ai.
E whakanuia nei te reo Māori.
Ah,
E kia nei ko.
Ko.
E te kupu. Yeah. Ai, tika. Alright, so tātou kupu whakarite, so tātou metaphor o simile mo te rānei.
Te pūnei o te reo.
Koira tētahi, engari, hara tērā te rerenga kōrero mo te rangi nei.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
What Luke is talking about is he reckons he
Can
saw...
I only see your lips, Luke?
Te gutu roa.
Te gotu roa, Luke.
Luke was like, oh, is that what it is? Pūnani o te reo. Kao, Luke.
It
Te
says-
puanani o te reo.
Ah,
Te
okay.
pūnani. I
Not
walked
te
past,
pūnani o te reo.
Well, you
I
were
wa-
thinking like the birthplace of Neil.
I walked past Marcia's laptop and I just got a glimpse. I was like, oh, te pūnani o te reo. God, people are going hard out these days. And there's one vowel that was not there. And hey, I
Yes.
just-
There was very much there.
I just
But
didn't
not-
see the vowel.
Yeah.
Te
One vowel
puanani.
makes a whole difference.
That's because you just saw what you wanted to see.
Or what you don't want to
Te
see.
pūnani o
Te
te reo.
pūnani o te reo. Te
Oh,
pūnani o
God.
te reo.
Kei te he, kei te he.
Okay, carry on. Sorry, Mark.
It's te puanani o te reo.
Are we actually doing it?
Well, why not?
Oh, that's the... Oh, okay.
Oh.
Birthplace.
Puanani o te reo.
The
Well,
birthplace of Te Reo.
Yeah, so I'm thinking something else, but obviously I've got that wrong.
Puanani o Te Reo.
Puanani. You're
Of-
so beautiful.
Of the language is all I've got. Of the language.
Great. You are on.
Puanani o te reo. I'm
Māori
thinking
language.
it's got to do with the amazingness, the essence of
Okay.
language.
Waitira.
Ah.
Puanani.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
Māori dictionary that.
Puanani.
Anybody in the backstage want to give us a hand?
Yeah, everyone, anyone, if you're online and you know what
Because I don't know what
Te Puanani o Te Reo is.
I don't know what puanani is.
Oh,
Ah.
see, like
Yeah, we
Puanani
know.
here it says
You don't either.
Puanani here it says wind dispersed seeds.
Oh, so it's
Oh.
pretty much
But what
puanani.
my translation it sort of doesn't touch on that, but it could.
Well, so like,
Oh, the
Deep
seed
or
of the
be running
language.
away.
So
Yeah.
the
The essence, yeah.
or just
that's
to, or just
whakakaro.
to speak it.
Mm.
To speak it is to like plant seed, you know,
Yes.
whakato kākano for
Aye.
everyone's real.
Yeah,
Yes.
we
To like
So
speak
who-
it and
so-
bring life to it.
Paitera. So this translation is talking about is labeling like a characteristic of somebody. So
Mm.
someone that does that. Who is someone
Oh.
that does that?
a real expert, an orator.
Paitera.
Ah.
Kia ora. So translation for it, expert teacher of te reo.
Oh,
Yeah, because if
That's
if
good.
a puanani is to like
plant the seed.
because it like
Yeah.
Then someone's obviously doing it.
it goes
Out.
and then
And then
all of those
sunflowers.
seeds and then 42,000.
Yeah, no,
Oh,
tika.
that's cool.
Ai, puanani o te reo.
Te puanani o te reo.
O te reo.
So
Expert teacher of te reo.
whānau, you know, kia matara, if you're going to use that kupu whakarite, make sure that you
use-
don't forget the extra R in there.
Yeah.
That's right.
Te punani. Yeah,
te reo.
dissemination. Yeah, it's the dissemination.
Oh,
And
kia ora.
then
Spread of the deal.
and
Determination.
gentrification and then
of the
photosynthesis.
classification of the revitalization
Aye.
Yes.
Of the
Mat-
onomatopoeia.
Yes.
sensation.
Mate photosynthesis kia
Yeah.
ora i te reo.
Tika. Yeah, so that's our rerenga kōrero.
Rerenga kōrero tēnā whakarongo mai.
And if you want it in a text form, you can.
Patuhi kōrero
Tēnā pānui mai. Puanani o te
I
reo.
love that.
Yes.
That's
Kia
a
tu
goer.
pato whānei. If you're going to use it, kia matara. Puana ni.
Ai. Kia ora tātou ki te mita o te rohe. Again, those who are listening online, you get the pleasure of joining us backstage.
Absolutely.
Because we can't play the music online, of course.
Yep.
And Mum's got On Coast, they promo the ad hoc sessions as going behind the scenes. Catch up, so do we.
Coming behind the scenes.
Facts, facts,
So,
no.
you know, we'll play the music, and then if you want to ask us any questions or throw out a partai or you want us to talk about something, then feel free to join.
Tika.
VIB. You get
VIB.
exclusive access. You might have a kaupapa coming up. You're like, oh, I need to talk about it on the radio, and
Huh.
they're here right now. Tell us.
Let's go.
Yes.
Right now it is nearly 8:45. Kia au tonu mai, e haere tonu mai ana, e mea ana koe.
Aye.
Go to the My Whānau once or twice from Andy Crummer. That's it. Dissemination. Yeah, that's really a good word for puanani.
Don't even know the song.
Dissemination. Ko tērā tēnei.
Just disseminate. And then germinate.
To populate. Whiu ake te ao. Oh, e mea ana koe. Pono. Oh, what the ba. If anybody's got any photos of Diversion's theme park in Tukipunga,
Yes.
maybe old school ones that when you and your whānau went there, we want them. I want to see it.
Let us know.
I know. The winter show. Everybody says the winter show. You know, we didn't really go to the winter show. Oh, hey, Mum. She was like, has anybody been to Disneyland? Yeah. Shush.
That is terrible. Yeah.
Nah, it's
shush.
not.
Makes sense. I'd rather go there myself.
Bro, the Pizza Hut though. Oh
What are you
man.
gonna eat? Twice last year.
Absolutely. Your traps.
I might not look it, but I actually can bench more than you.
Oh my gosh. You just kotaka oroto.
Isn't that what your favourite
Yes.
trainers do?
Yes, thank you. Not my favourite.
Oh.
A guy that was in the gym. You're gonna get slapped. And the fact that you remembered that means you've been pondering on it for ages.
I was trying to remember the specific number he said, but I couldn't remember the number.
Yeah, I've been sure. I'll smash it. I was looking at photos the other day of my deadlifts, and I can't do that at the moment. Not for a long time.
Oh, yeah. Nah.
Nah,
man.
I'm gonna rip my asshole.
Oh well.
It's got nothing to do with
Out of
it.
everything, that will.
Out of all your hobbies,
Out of all of my
That-
hobbies.
That ain't gonna do it.
that's the least like
Oh, you two. You could
Oh, bro, the summer content.
the summer content. Let's get a picture.
Amanda
Picture,
Quay.
have we?
No, we haven't actually.
No, we haven't.
No,
You've just
oh,
been
shut up.
posting your solo ones.
Yeah, because you don't have any, and you guys don't post anything, so I was like, I'll just tag you in.
You're the photo taker.
So I
Okay.
just archive my
And
pictures.
slash influencer too.
Oh.
Do you got a blue tick?
How are we supposed to get
No.
in that photo when you haven't got it on us?
Let's post ones like this today. Once or twice with me and you.
Also, if anybody's selling any better phone than Luke's, he wants it.
I do need one. I need a.
Yeah, I am. I am better.
do need a new one though, don't I?
I only had it for 2 minutes. I'm way better than you.
Yeah. You've not got your phone anymore.
What phone?
Your new phone.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said you only had it for 2 minutes.
Yeah, which, I mean, overextended. Oh my
9
gosh.
seconds.
9 seconds!
Oh. Safety tips.
Oh, manga.
Manga.
Oh.
Whether you're on holiday or not, there's heaps of peeps around at the Mo, especially up here in Te Tai Tokerau. You've heard it all before, no doubt. Be safe, don't do this, don't do that. Nō reira, mohia nā koutou what's good and what's not. So don't be that guy or gal. Nera. Don't be the guy or gal who takes a 45-minute shower at your cuzzy bros or your auntie's whare when you know they are on tank water. You only need 2 minutes tops to clean all the necessary parts of your tinana, including a shampoo and conditioning. Aira e rua ngā miniti anake. He wāpai mo te horo e tō tinana, neck minute ko pauke te wai. So don't be that guy or gal that takes long ass showers when you're visiting whānau. Be te mene o te wau mene, and kaua e momo wai. Whāmere, harare, safety, mea nei. You're welcome.
Ngāti Hine FM.
You with the kama iwa i ono ki whangarei nei Ngāti Hine FM. Aora e mara, you're here with the crew, Marcia, Phoenix, Luke.
Hi.
And it's currently tata ki te tekau miniti ki te iwa, e kua tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga. E mea na koe. Ai, pono. E tahi he pono, e tahi he teka.
Yeah.
Kiwa, homai o keks.
Yes, Marcia. Yes, thank you. Did you know that when you sneeze, the sneeze travels out of your mouth at 100 kilometers an hour?
I did.
That's
Nah.
that's quite fast.
That is.
How much?
Especially
again?
like
100
miles.
kilometers.
I
think miles is faster.
No wonder why she came to life after that.
Yeah, she's like,
oh,
wow.
see here. Anybody would come to life after that.
Yeah.
Jay. Boo. Rianne Boo.
Oh, she goes
Shit.
200k.
200k. She's like,
and she doesn't care where she is either. She
Nah.
could be at like a funeral or even in a library, and she's just screaming it out.
Who
yeah.
is it that sneezes like this? Chew. Ew. Achoo. Ew. Who's that? You
Is
know
that
that person?
A real person or
Yeah,
is it a
it's a
character?
real person.
Is that
Who does
Jace?
that?
Is it Jace?
Nah, Huya.
Huya.
That's
That's
who.
she.
Yeah, she goes. She
Yeah,
always
she goes, excuse me.
or something.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what is that? She's like,
Yeah.
I don't know.
And then Rianne
so
Boo's just
cute.
behind him.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's how my
bro.
dad sneezes too. What the?
Wow.
He always, man.
Oh,
Oh,
tia
man.
matey on a kikata.
Yeah.
It
That's-
sounds like what's it? The snail of SpongeBob.
Oh, it does.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, that's not one. That's not a good one.
Oh, I've got another one.
Yeah, you go.
Patua, patua.
The longest bout of hiccups. How long do you think it lasted for?
3 years.
Nah, yes, years because it'd be years because I remember seeing a docker who's had it their whole life.
This is terrible. I don't know how they
36 years.
36 years, 3 years for you?
3.
69 years. This person.
Oh,
bro.
The longest bout of hiccups recorded in the world.
Oh.
Have you got some hiccups?
The longest bout of hookups.
Yours is that
hookups.
too, yeah. Your
Last-
bout of hookups as well.
Yes. It's been going on for 20 years.
The longest bout of hiccups recorded in the world lasted 69 years.
I wonder how often he did it.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think that's so sad.
Honestly,
You'd be
if
so
I
ho-ha.
get them immediately, I'm trying to
Get rid of them?
Get rid of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's just say I wouldn't go to the movies with that guy. Just trying to watch.
How do you
movies.
get rid of hiccups?
I try to hold my breath.
Yeah,
I'm told to hold your breath. drink
Sometimes
lots
it
of
works,
water.
sometimes it doesn't. But
Get a
most
fright.
times it works. Yeah.
I hold my breath like the trick I've learned. So I just hold my breath.
Yeah.
But I bring so much air up into my lungs and into my stomach that there's literally no more room for air. Like that's
Okay.
because if I just go like this, it doesn't work. But if I I fill it all the way up, it works. So I gotta fill it all the way up, and people will be talking to me, and I don't want to reply because
You're
I'm like, no, I can't reply because then I have to start again. So I'm like.
Oh, this is great.
Well, I do that, hold my breath, but then someone said to not take big, to not draw breath.
true.
So just start holding your breath. They'd be like,
you just go,
do anything, just go, just stop straight away.
Because the hiccup is when you're because you have the pathway, I don't know, whatever it is, and then you get a little in it into the pathway where your air comes from.
Yes,
Yeah.
I try to hold my breath, and then you try to make yourself burp to get
And
the
then you
air
fart,
out.
probs.
Well, yeah, there's a message here. Then you fart because of all the air.
Oh, kia ora.
Oh, I've got you go.
All right, you go.
Oh,
Keep
I've got a
going.
couple.
Yeah.
Okay, this one though.
Yeah,
Back
bring
to
'em all.
sneezes. If you sneeze too hard, you can fracture a rib. But if you try to suppress a sneeze, you can rupture a blood vessel in your head, neck, and die.
Oh.
If you keep your eyes open by force, they will pop out.
Yeah, because every time you sneeze, your eyes you sneeze with your eyes closed.
Yeah, you cannot sneeze with your eyes open because you will pop them out. If you try to suppress a sneeze, you could blow a blood vessel. If you sneeze too hard, you'll fracture a rib. Wow. Who would have thought they're so important?
Yeah, my dad, because he's got cracked ribs at the moment, and he was at school the other day, teaching,
Oh,
and
yes.
or DPing, whatever DPs do, and he said that he forgot for a moment that he had because he's when he coughs and sneezes, he's been bracing
Oh,
it,
yeah, that would
brace it,
hurt.
try and but he reckons he forgot for a minute. And he was just walking around doing this thing, and he
Oh.
reckons honestly it was he was tears immediately.
Oh.
Just, and he was lying on his desk. People talking to me. He was
Oh,
no.
no.
yeah.
Yeah,
yuck."
that'd be awful.
yeah.
Oof, yuck.
He won't be doing that again.
No. Okay.
I've got a thought again.
Oh, I like these.
There should be a millennial edition of Monopoly where you just walk around the board playing rent and never able to buy anything.
Ah, yes.
Except if you're Phoenix Looker.
Yeah. That's true,
but then you're
though.
owned by the bank man for ages.
That's so true. Yeah.
Just
Actual.
Monopoly, rent.
Monopoly's all lie. It makes you feel something's not true. I'm going to buy all these properties. No, you're not.
We should have brought them when Monopoly came out.
Actual, you could have. Well, in the 90s when one house was $20,000.
Bro.
No, ridiculous.
Yeah.
Actual.
Oh well.
Or a deer house was 180 or something.
Imagine my granddad. He said he bought his first house for $22,000. Whoa, that's crazy. That's cheap. And then he goes, yeah, but I got paid $60 a fortnight.
Yeah, true. True. That's yeah.
And then also, because he was renting at the time, and the rent was $6 a week or something. It was something crazy like that. Yeah, but he got paid $60 a fortnight.
Yeah. But then
I see.
nowadays the pay hasn't changed that much.
Yeah.
But the
Cost.
house prices
Yeah.
has.
Cost of
Oh.
living. Yeah.
Bro.
House prices have been crazy. It's literally, it was marked up 50% and then plus the market. So it was 50% and, whatever the market's doing.
Mm.
Wow.
Cool. Another he whakaaro anō. When people think about traveling to the past, what are you worried about? When you travel to the past, what are you worried about? Not you want to travel to the past for a good reason, but what are the worries to you?
I'd be worried about going back into the past when it was still super racist.
Yes.
yes.
And they're like, hey, what are you doing here, Mary?
Yes.
Yeah, because sometimes watch those movies of the past, and it's all the racial stuff. I think that must be so scary just to walk outside your house. And
Yeah.
you can't go to this bar because you're black.
Bro,
Or you
yeah.
can't come in here because you're black. Whites only.
Yeah, actually. That wasn't the answer I was going for, but that's so true.
That would be scary.
It says like when people think about traveling to the past, they worry about accidentally changing the present,
Ah, yeah.
Oh.
but no one actually goes to the past to change the future.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Kia
Or, you know, Doctor Who, come on.
Yeah, you can't actually like according to like Elon Musk and that you can't actually change the future if you go back in the past. You just change that current present. And
But,
then you
yeah.
create an alternate timeline. You got to watch
Yeah,
Avengers.
another one. Yeah. So,
who knows?
kia ora. And I've got one more for Carol.
Yes.
When you drink excessive amounts of alcohol, you are just borrowing happiness from tomorrow.
Koe ara te hanga.
Oh, that's real good.
Yeah, but you go with that knowing, it's your fun. You're like,
Yeah.
it's going to be worth it.
Yeah.
Next day, not worth it.
Do this ever again.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it.
Anyway, Whānau, on that note, you know,
Bye.
think about tomorrow's happiness before you open up that whole box of beers. But you know, we're almost at the end of our show.
Hi.
This 2 hours went
Yes,
fast.
it
It's
did. It was
been a
fun.
great banter.
Why?
As always.
Because it's so good being here. Why? Because we are a family like a giant tree branching out to the sky. We are a family. We are so much more than just you and I. We are a family like a giant tree going stronger, growing wiser. We are growing free. We need you. We are a family. Sorry about it.
What a finish.
That's
Ora
great.
mai a mātou te crew. Marcia Hopper.
Luke Bird.
Whines roka.
Kia kaha.
Kia Maya.
Kia nifa.
Kia rei, mara.
See you tomorrow, mate. The news came on yesterday at 10 to. We were like, no, you're not.
Yeah, playing that today. We on.
So he stopped it and then he came on again at 5 tonight. We're like, what are you up to?
We're like, sorry, Scotty, you're out.
Alrighty, Tiwi, backstage tanga kakite from Marcia.
Bye.
No bite, Phoenix. Kakite, it's Friday. Hey, Popo.